Hey guys, welcome back to BA Adventures.
Hey! So today we are answering Silver Dollar City's call and we're going to be talking about their great new announcement.
So come with us. Okay, so as many of you guys know, there was a huge announcement today from Silver Dollar City, and that is Fire in the Hole is back. As expected, that giant building that we've been talking to you guys about back behind Fireman's Landing is in fact going to be a...
Fire in the Hole 2.0 basically.
That's what it's going to be. They say that it is going to be the biggest indoor coaster in the Midwest.
Which is super exciting.
It is super exciting. We're excited. I know that whenever I saw the video today, I was like, no way. They actually talked about it.
Yeah.
And I believe in a video before I may have said August. I might say something about this.
Yeah. I think you want to talk about the video itself?
So, yeah, we can talk about the video itself. So, in the video itself, it starts off talking about the history of Silver Dollar City and how these Baldknobbers set fire to the town.
Mm-hmm.
And it was kind of my, like, no way. It's going to, like, as soon as I saw that part, I was like, there it is. Fire in the Hole 2.0. That's what they're going to announce today. And sure enough, came out with Fire in the Hole. And then they start off this crazy, awesome soundtrack.
Yeah, the soundtrack is very cool. Like, its own song, which is pretty cool.
Yeah. And I don't know exactly who sang it, but I know that, obviously, the Hershon family found somebody, and it sounded awesome.
Yeah.
Very bluegrassy, very...
Silver Dollar City.
Yeah, it felt very Silver Dollar City Fire in the Hole sound. Now, some things with that. Here's some concept art of the actual ride itself.
I love the concept art. I think that they need to put that in a gift shop because I would buy it.
Yeah,
I think that would be cool to hang up.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it really would. So there's a lot of things that are back from the original ride. There's still the bridge. There's still the train that's coming at you.
Yeah. And
everything. So that is really, really neat. Another thing before we add something else to this, how big is this ride?
It's 5 stories.
It is 5 stories tall. It is bigger than the original.
Mm-hmm.
What is it, twice the size or 3 times the size?
I don't know.
I don't know either. I'm not sure. Can somebody comment below on that and let us know?
Well, I mean, like, how many stories is the first one?
Maybe 2 or 3, maybe?
Yeah.
Yeah,
So
it doesn't look very big on the, yeah.
This one looks massive.
It does look massive. It looks huge.
It's got...
And that's what made me think that it really may not be a Fire in the Hole 2.0. Like, I was really leaning towards it, but I was like, I don't know, maybe not.
And then I think it's a 1/3 of a mile track.
Yeah.
With 3 dips, and then there's a splash zone.
Mm-hmm.
So we still have that kind of concept. You still have your splash
at the end, and you ride on your little pumper wagon.
Yeah.
Again, and here's concept art for that they showed. Really neat concept for that. I like the little red wheels that have been added into it. And it really is a nice updated thing, and I really think that this Fire in the Hole will last longer than the building it was in, unfortunately.
Definitely. It's going to be a brand new building.
I know, but it'll last longer than that building because that one, I mean, as you know, the reason it is being taken out is that building is falling apart. So
I think, and also it's weather control, or I'm sorry, it's not weather control.
Climate control.
Climate control. And so there we can ride it anytime if it's cold outside, whatever. Which I think is going to be great because we live in the Ozarks, it gets cold.
Yes.
And rides shut down because of that.
Yes.
So having those indoors, and that's something I talked about a while ago.
Yeah.
It's just Silver Dollar City needs to adapt to the fact that we're in the Ozarks and we've got to have stuff to be able to continue to ride.
And with that, this is... The president of Silver Dollar City even sat there and said, this is the most that we have invested into a single attraction.
$30 million.
$30 million.
That's crazy.
So, along with that, we have something to tell you at the end of this video about an extra $30 million that they are adding to the park, which I have a little bit of some inside information on. So stick around, keep watching, and I'll tell you guys about that at the end. So that being said, though, Ash is excited to tell you about something that is staying in the ride that is probably the most famous ride.
Part of the ride, you mean?
Part of the ride. But before we get to that, I want to ask her something. And I want to ask you guys something. So please comment below and answer this. This does not pertain to Silver Dollar City, but
is a pop quiz.
But is Blazing Fury's days numbered now?
It makes you wonder if it's successful here in the Ozarks with the new Fire in the Hole 2.0. Is Blazing Fury at Dollywood going to be replaced as well? Are they going to do something different? I say why not? I think if this ride is going to be as amazing as they say it's going to be, and every new ride that Silver Dollar City has put in the park has been innovative, has been something that I have never seen before or rode before, especially in the
Time
Midwest.
Traveler, Mystic River Falls.
Yeah, these 2 brand new rides that they put in. I mean, I should say brand new. They're older, but they're the newer rides of the park, having wonderful. So this is going to be an amazing addition.
Yeah, I agree. I truly agree. That being said, with Blazing Fury at Dollywood, if you guys don't know, Dollywood and Silver Dollar City are sister parks. I love talking about this. I don't know why.
It's cool.
I just think it's neat because Blazing Fury is literally an exact copy to Fire in the Hole minus a couple things.
I was going to say, there's an exception to that.
The exception in Blazing Fury is there is a part where somebody's trying to jump out of the hotel. There is no Baldknobbers.
No.
Or anything like that. So that's it. That's like the only 2 differences. The track follows the same thing. The music is a little bit different. The sounds aren't any different. Like, you can still hear the
storyline's pretty similar.
The storyline is very similar. Yeah. So, anyway. So, going back to the person jumping out of the hotel. This is what Ash has been waiting to tell you guys about.
I am so stinking excited that Red Flanders is going to be in the new one. It was said in the video. He's mentioned he's going to be in it. He has to be in it. He's even
shown in the concept.
He has to be in it. Like, I don't know how you cannot have him in it. So I'm uber excited about it, to have it like in the 21st century. Like
I am super excited about it as well. I don't think you can be Fire in the Hole without Red Flanders and his pants, or Sadie for that matter. So
they're celebrities, and you know what would be really cool if Silver Dollar City had like character meet and greets. And it was
like a Red Flanders
and
walking
Sadie?
Around without pants on? That wouldn't be okay.
I mean,
it's
like,
a family park, Ashley!
He can have pants and he can have another pair on his shoulder or something. I think
But then
that
why
would
wouldn't
be
he wear them?
I don't know.
Okay.
Silver City, figure it out. Have a way to have it. Because I think that would be an amazing character meet and greet.
It would be. It would be kind of...
I would wait in line
They have
for
Lucky
it.
the fire dog, though.
Yeah, but I'm not going to wait in line as an adult. But I will see Red. Like, yeah, I would do that. And Sadie. Red and Sadie.
She's weird.
I think it would be so much fun.
It would be.
Especially
but we're getting
with
off
the new
topic
ride.
here.
Yes.
We are getting off topic here. So along with this, they have also announced that they are going to have a pretzel dog.
Yeah, world famous.
World famous pretzel dog in the area. It's going to look like a corn dog, but it's going to be pretzel bread. Basically just like your corn dogs that you used to have over by the old Fire in the Hole.
It's pretzel.
But it's pretzel bread.
I think it'll be good.
I think it'll be good. We'll try it whenever it comes out. So this is coming in spring of 2024, which means time's ticking. Spring of 2024 is not too. I mean, it's kind of a few months away, but you know, time ticks away whenever you start getting into the cold winter months.
Oh yeah.
You know what I'm saying? There's not
shorter
a lot of
days.
Shorter days, colder, maybe some ice and snow where workers can't get into work on it. That's the, you know, here's my thing. Expect a delay. Okay? I don't want to be negative here, but I think there may be a delay, maybe not. I'm still hopeful for spring 2024, but the way some rides have been being put up in other parks, there have been delays. Don't get discouraged. We know this ride is coming in 2024. I believe this ride is coming in 2024.
I think it's going to be opening day.
I don't think it'll be opening day.
I think it's going to be opening day.
Opening day is
2024
not spring.
season. It's going to be open.
We'll see.
And there's going to be, because Silver Dollar City announced, you can buy season tickets now. Season passes.
Mm-hmm.
So.
And get first dibs for the ride.
Yes. So it's the lowest price of the season, and you're going to see it. I believe it goes on sale in the month of October.
It's October 9th through the 31st.
Yes. And so you're going to see the lowest prices, and you're going to get a reservation or some kind of way to get on the ride sooner than possible. I mean, I'm not sure if they're going to do it kind of like reservation based or like say, all right, it's opened up if you have this season pass. I'm not sure. We've seen it at Dollywood. We've seen it at other parks, the major theme parks. So, but I'm interested in it because you know what? I'm going to be sitting there waiting for that to buy that sucker.
I agree.
So,
anyway, so moving on past the Fire in the Hole announcement, we're coming to the end of our video. I know I did forget the construction people that we talked about is Rocky Mountain Construction.
Oh, yeah.
Which are the same people who worked on Outlaw Run, but as we knew that they were working on this ahead of time anyway, we knew that from whenever this building started going up. So
we had actually had hints from an employee about that as well.
Yes, we had several hints from employees. People who knew employees, people who knew people who were working on the ride. There were several hints out there. We didn't want to jump to one thing, okay? We didn't want to sit there and say, yes, it's Fire in the Hole 2.0. But the more and more we looked at the ride, the track ride, and here's even some photos of that. We wish we could have gotten invited to this so much. This would have been so cool to be involved and go inside and see the ride itself on the inside. So, I mean, Silver Dollar City, we love you. Just saying. Hint, wink, nudge, you know. I'll give you we'll DM, you know.
So, I was very reserved when they did announce that it was the same developer as Outlaw Run. That is a ride that is my least favorite at Silver Dollar City, just because it is a wooden roller coaster. It's very rough for me. I know for you as well. And so I was very like, ooh, about it. But I do understand it is not a wooden roller coaster. It is going to be a steel roller coaster. It's going to be fantastic. It's a family ride.
Yes.
So I think that that's going to be all right. It's going to redeem itself for me. Not going to ride Outlaw Run though. But still, I think it will be fantastic.
I mean, 3 drops.
Yep.
And you have a drop into water, so.
Yeah.
I mean, not like you're not going to be submerged. It's going to be a splash like the old one.
Splash
I think it'll be a bit bigger of a splash afterwards, just because they can. But yeah.
I think everybody needs to get a little wet.
I agree.
The same.
Anyway, moving on to the other announcement that I was talking about, the extra $30 million that they did announce that they were putting into attractions and things for people. This kind of goes away from Silver Dollar City and talks about Whitewater. There is a rumor that Whitewater is being moved out to the old abandoned mansion area that Silver Dollar City has bought. That is a rumor. I can't tell you how I know that, but if I told you, I would have to, you know.
I hate rumors. Like, if you want to get excited about the possibility, but you like it's a rumor. You don't know if it's true or not.
Yes.
Do I think Silver Dollar City would benefit if Whitewater was actually moved? Yes, it would be so much better.
They would have
for
more land
families.
to expand.
Yeah, and
they have a bunch of land out there anyway. Like, I don't think you guys understand the amount of land they have out there. It's bigger than Magic Kingdom, the amount of land that they have.
But they're just not using it.
They're not using it, no. And actually, it's the crazy thing is the park itself, Silver Dollar City Park itself, the land it's sitting on, they don't even own it. It's leased from College of the Ozarks and the Presbyterian Church.
And that's crazy to me to think that, you know, they're making bank off of Silver Dollar City for sure.
But the lease doesn't come up until like 2040, 2045, somewhere in there.
But you know that's going to go up.
It's a ways away.
That's it's crazy. And I don't know if that's like the only theme park that does that.
I don't know. Don't know if it is or not. But I will say this though. Additionally, with the Whitewater possible relocation is the fact that if you guys look off of the edge of Wildfire, you will see that there is a cove that comes in there. Okay, at the bottom of that cove, Silver Dollar City owns all that land all the way down through there. There is talk of them putting in entertainment and restaurants and like a boardwalk area down through there.
That'd be cool.
That would be amazing. It would be amazing of what Silver Dollar City has planned down there.
I want to see Silver Dollar City expand.
I do too.
Of course, because that's our home park. Like, that's something that we can go to on a spare moment for us. Yeah. And I want to see it grow for sure, especially because everything that they've been putting in, like I said, is innovative. It's new. It's shiny. It's amazing. And I love that. And I love getting excited about new things at Silver Dollar City.
Yeah. Well, and so here we are actually doing something new this upcoming weekend with Silver Dollar City. We are actually staying at their campground. So if you were watching this, hit that subscribe button and that notification button so that you guys don't miss out on that, because that's happening this weekend. It'll be uploaded next week sometime. Probably Tuesday, Thursday, like our usual upload days. But that will be uploaded. It'll be ready to go for you guys to see our experience staying there at their campsite. We are staying with some friends and family, and I'm looking forward to it because we've never done it before, and Silver Dollar City just has so much to offer, and we're really, really excited. So, anyway, that being said, I think that's going to end our video. Yeah, yeah. So, super, super excited for Fire in the Hole. We love that ride. The original was my first roller coaster. Was it your first roller coaster?
I don't know.
You don't know?
I don't know what my first roller coaster
was.
I'm the worst.
I bet you it was. It had to be. I don't think you can be a real Missourian if
I don't know.
It wasn't your first roller coaster. Like, I mean, if you moved from somewhere else, like, you get a pass.
If you were a transplant.
Yeah. Whatever. No, but anyway, we really love Fire in the Hole. We're really excited to get an updated version of it. We are sad to see the old go because of all the history, all the people who have ridden on that before. You just gotta look back and think, like, man, what an innovation at the time it was put in.
Yeah.
So, but this new one coming in.
I may forget about the old one.
Uh-oh, don't do that.
Because I'm so excited.
We are very excited about this. Super, super excited. Cannot wait to ride it. Looking forward to it. We were really leaning that it was going to be Fire in the Hole.
Yeah.
So, anyway, that being said, if you guys want to keep up with more of our theme park news, adventures, info, anything, guys, hit that like button, that subscribe button, and that
bell notification button
so that you guys don't miss out on any of that. And with that,
we're going to the next adventure.
bye, guys.